Good morning. Welcome you all to our EduGuru channel for daily current affairs. Welcome back to EduGuru Daily Current Affairs. In today's session, we will discuss daily MCQ quiz, important national parks, cabinet ministers and their portfolio and constituency. Let's start with quiz. Which state has decided to put a complete ban on the purchase of new vehicles, including cars and jeeps, except buses for public transport and emergency use vehicles like ambulances during current financial year? Answer: Haryana State Government. Who has been appointed as Principal Operations Coordination Specialist at the Asian Development Bank in May 2020? Answer: Nilaya Mitas. He is appointed as a Principal Operations Coordination Specialist at Asian Development Bank. Rishi Sunak is Finance Minister, United Kingdom. Alok Sharma is appointed as Head for COP26 by UK. COP26 held at Glasgow, Scotland. Who has been appointed as Chief Risk Officer of RBL Bank for a period of 2 years? Answer: Deepak Kumar. In the options, we will discuss some AP Maheswari. He is Director General CRPF. VK Johri. VK Johri is ex-Border Security Force Director General. Now he is appointed as Director General of Police, Madhya Pradesh. Now SS Deswal, Director General ITBP, Indo-Tibetan Border Police, will act as temporary head of BSF. Who has launched the SARS collection on Government e-Marketplace portal in New Delhi in May 2020? Answer: Narendra Singh Tomar. He is Minister of Agriculture and Formal Welfare and Minister of Rural Development and Minister of Panchayati Raj. His constituency Morena, Madhya Pradesh. In the options, Dharmendra Pradhan. He is Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas and Minister of Steel also. And he is Rajya Sabha MP from Madhya Pradesh. D.V. Sadanand Gowda. He is Minister of Chemicals and Fertilizers. He is MP from Bangalore North. Tawarchand Gehlot. He is Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment. And he is Rajya Sabha MP from Madhya Pradesh. Which of the following has developed an ultraviolet disinfection tower for rapid and chemical-free disinfection of high infection-prone areas? This is developed by DRDO. DRDO stands for Defense Research Development Organization. It is formed in 1958. The chairman G. Satish Reddy. Headquarters at New Delhi. ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, formed 15th August 1969. Head K. Sivan. BARC, Baba Atomic Research Center, founded in 3rd Jan 1954. The founder is Homi J. Baba. Headquarters Mumbai. Present Director Dr. Ajit Kumar Mohanty. HAL stands for Hindustan Aeronautic Limited. Headquarters at Bengaluru. Founded 23rd December 1940. Founder Walchand Hirachandla. Chairman R. Madhavan. Which country will launch the first Arctica M satellite for monitoring Arctic climate at the end of 2020? Answer: Russia. The Delhi government has increased value added tax on petrol from 27% to how much percentage? 30 percentage. It increased from 27% to 30 percentage. The 2021 World Aquatic Championship postponed to 2022. Which country will organize? Organized by Japan at Fukuoka. Former world snooker champion Peter Ebdon has announced his retirement from professional snooker. He is from which country? He is from United Kingdom. PM Narendra Modi participated in an online meeting of the Non-Aligned Movement contact group. What was the theme? Theme is United Against COVID-19. I am and I will is the theme of Cancer Day. MSME, Micro Small Medium Enterprises, is the theme of RBI Week. Financial Literacy Week. Arogya Setu Mitra, launched in private public partnership initiative, will be available in the Arogya Setu app. Who has developed the Arogya Setu app? Developed by National Informatics Center. DBS Bank has slashed India's GDP for financial year forecast to -% from its earlier 1.5 projection. 1%. Earlier it was 1.5%, now it is 1%. We will see some other organizations projected GDP growth rate for India for the financial year 21. UN 4.8%, Asian Development Bank 4%, CRISIL earlier it was 3.5%, now it is 1.8%. Moody's earlier it was 2.5%, now slashed to 0.2%. ICRA 2%, IMF 1.9%, S&P Fitch Solutions 1.8%, World Bank 1.5 to 2.8%, Fitch Ratings 0.8%, Confederation of Indian Industry 0.9 to 1.5%. These GDP projections are frequently changed, so whenever the change occurs, I will intimate you. Poet and writer Nisar Ahmad, who passed away recently, belonged to which state? He belonged to Karnataka. He is a Padma Shri awardee. The International Firefighters Day was observed annually on 4th May. What is the name of voice-based applications which was launched by BharatPe recently to avail facilities without touching phones? Paisa Bolega, BharatPe Balance. These two voice-based applications was launched by BharatPe for without touching phones. That's all for today's current affairs. Let's move to the static GK. In static GK, we will discuss important national parks. State Uttar Pradesh, National Park Dudhwa National Park. Uttarakhand, Gangotri National Park, Jim Corbett National Park, Nanda Devi National Park, Rajaji National Park, Valley of Flowers National Park, Govind Pashu Vihar National Park. West Bengal, Buksa Tiger Reserve, Gorumara National Park, Jaldapara National Park, Niora Valley National Park, Singalila National Park, Sundarbans National Park. We will see some important cabinet ministers and their portfolio consistency. Harsimrat Kaur Badal, portfolio Ministry of Food Processing and Industries, constituency Batinda, Punjab. Ravi Shankar Prasad, Ministry of Law and Justice, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, constituency Patna Sahib, Bihar. Tawarchand Gehlot, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. He is Rajya Sabha MP from Madhya Pradesh. Subramaniam Jaishankar, portfolio Ministry of External Affairs. He is Rajya Sabha MP from Gujarat. Arjun Munda, Ministry of Tribal Affairs, constituency Kunti, Jharkhand. That's all for today's current affairs and GK. Thank you. Jai Hind.
If you like this channel, then subscribe my channel for more updates. Please like, share, comment and subscribe EduGuru channel. Thank you all. Jai Hind.